आज के इस वीडियो में हम आए हुए हैं श्वंत में, जहाँ पे मेरे साथ के चीनी हर चलती फिरते जीव को देख के बोलते हैं
Looks yummy.
It looks yummy.
Oh, really?
Looks delicious.
Ah,
Really
nice.
delicious.
Delicious?
Turtle, right?
Yeah. Bob says it's delicious.
Yes, turtle. Chinese eat turtles.
Yeah. Chinese eat everything.
Turtle soup.
Turtle soup?
Yes.
Where do you find turtle soup?
Even my friend did with them.
We'll have turtle soup. So will you buy a live turtle? Alive or killed?
Killed by the
Shopkeeper.
yes.
Nice. Not so nice. My subscribers are listening. Yeah, speak some German. Say something in German. Something good.
You know that's
Welcome to
dirty
China.
side.
You can't talk dirty to my subscribers.
Germany.
तो चाइनीज के खाने की बात तो हम पूरे वीडियो में करते रहेंगे, पर उसके साथ साथ गार्डन में इतनी सारी एंशिएंट चीजों का पता चला ना, जो मेरे लिए काफी शॉकिंग थी। जैसे अंकलों के पुराने कपड़े जो वो पहनते थे, और सुंदर कन्याएं किस किस तरह से तैयार होती थी, वो जान के थोड़ा मैं भावनाओं में बह गया था, जो कि नहीं बहना चाहिए था। पर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा होपफुली। What is the name of this garden again? Nice. और this fountain. तो सही में इतनी गर्मी थी कि दीदी तो पंखा ही करने लग गई अपने आप को। और हम यहाँ पे मेरे साथ में जो चीनी है बॉब, उसके होम टाउन आए, पर वो पहली बार इस गार्डन में आया हमारे साथ विजिट करने, जो कि थोड़ा सरप्राइजिंग था बिकॉज गार्डन बहुत सुंदर था। बॉब विल चूज। लेट्स गो टू वुडन हाउस। ये भाई पता नहीं क्यों इतना खुश था मैं। अच्छा हाँ, याद आया, मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही मेरे पसंद का टेस्टी इंडियन खाना खाया था, जो कि मैंने पुराने वीडियो में शेयर किया है, जिसमें चीनी लोगों के इंडियन फूड को लेकर रिएक्शन भी रिकॉर्ड किए। दिस इज द मेंशन ऑफ एन एंशिएंट स्कॉलर हु अचीव्ड द हाईएस्ट रैंक इन इंपीरियल एग्जामिनेशंस। So basically, it's like he became a minister, right? Minister in the
He
court.
will be, yeah.
Ah,
He will be working in the government.
so if you come first place, you'll live. तो एंशिएंट चाइना में भी अगर आप एग्जाम में फर्स्ट आए तो आपको सरकारी नौकरी मिलेगी, अच्छी छोकरी मिलेगी। ये कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा सुना सुना सा क्यों लग रहा है मुझे? क्या आपके दिमाग में कोई बत्ती जल रही है इससे?
This is for you to hang your brush, and then this is for the ink.
तो अगर एंशिएंट चाइना में होता तो यही मेरी टू डू लिस्ट होती जो मेरे टी शर्ट पर है, और मैं इसी तरह से कुछ नहीं कर रहा होता। तो कुछ ना करके मैं काफी थक गया था, तो मैंने कहा चलो परियों के देश में चलते हैं। दिस इज द फेरी लैंड।
I don't know why it translates into.
फेरी लैंड। अंदर परियां दिख तो रही हैं, फिर क्यों जानना है क्यों ट्रांसलेट करता है ये? पर छोड़ो, मुझे क्या, जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि। अपन तो आगे बढ़े। देखो गाइस, ऐसी आंटियां भी हैं फेरी लैंड में। ओह, वुडन कार्विंग ऑफ 100 पीचेस। भाई किस एंगल से पीचेस लग रहे हैं ये? सड़े हुए टमाटर बोलते हैं हम इसे भारत में। What is the custom? Yeah.
There are only 99 because Chinese culture, it can be too full. Actually, only 99. Incomplete of it, so you've got a space there.
Yeah.
And also 99 sounds similar to longevity.
Ah, Jojo.
Right, Jojo.
Live.
Although
Yes.
it says 100 pitches, it's not, there are not 100 here.
Ah.
99 only. Well, if that is the
So this is a scam. We need ChatGPT to translate.
copper, this is not gold, this is copper.
Ah. So this is also another scam.
It doesn't tell it's gold.
Okay. But it looks like gold, but it's not gold.
That's only your interpretation.
और हाँ, चाइनीज की एक बात है कि इनके एक शब्द के इतने मतलब निकलेंगे ना कि अगर आप कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं समझते तो अर्थ का अनर्थ निकल सकता है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए ये देखो, who means longevity,
节节高 it means
bigger
progress.
sister, taller sister. तो मेरी लिमिटेड वोकैबुलरी में चेचे मतलब ओल्डर सिस्टर और काओ मतलब टॉल, तो ट्रांसलेटेड टू टॉलर सिस्टर, पर उसका अर्थ कंप्लीटली अलग था. लेट्स गो
This way.
Elaine, are you still hungry?
I don't like fish.
The taste is not good.
I've never tried.
This is for admiration. Don't eat everything
Yeah.
that you see, right?
Don't tell me that. Tell Chinese people. This is
Private school.
yeah. See, even they had private schools back then.
Schools look like this.
Oh, where? I wonder if this is private school, then how does the government school look like?
Bigger.
Really? Oh yeah, in China.
In China, in the Asian, only private school, right?
Yeah, what is this hanger for?
The brushes. See? And then,
Oh, yeah,
because you always have to keep the end straight.
it's straight. Otherwise, it won't.
Otherwise, you can't use it.
And that is for ink, right?
That,
Yeah, that is for ink, right? This
No,
is,
no, that's for the other pencils.
ah,
You know, that is the flat one
Yes.
is for the ink.
yes, yes. Everybody knows about Confucius. What's his name?
A lot of Confucius institutes around the world.
In India also he is very.
Really?
इतनी गर्मी कि मैं पसीना पसीना हो रहा
Very young.
हूँ. Yes. To Confucius. But we do that in India also. Not to him. Not to him.
The leaves of the
Lotus.
lotus flower.
Yeah.
And on this service, the water will not leave
Will not leave.
marks. Watermark.
Ah.
That's the inspiration for umbrella. Use this
Oh.
kind of material, then it can be waterproof.
It looks yummy. So if we probably didn't have. Yeah. Always. Where's the toilet? Where's the scholar's toilet? Oh, you found the toilet. Bob, congratulations.
You have color. 跟他看的一样嘛。
Yeah.
没有啊，那些都没有完全。然后还有你们现在的国
Wow.
还有那种小白鸟。
So many fishes. Guys, it's so lively. Love it. ऊपर केव बना रखी है पानी के ऊपर. Good. Hey, that's so pretty. What is that? Stone. Good guess. Good guess. भाई मेरे साथ का चीनी भी स्टोन नहीं लग रहा था. मैंने पूछा वो क्या है, बोलता स्टोन. वाओ, सो इंटेलिजेंट यार. खैर मैंने भी किससे पूछ लिया यार. इन लोगों की ना थोड़ी अंग्रेजी कमजोर ही रहती है, तो इतनी बड़ी केव उनको बस स्टोन दिख रही है. Yes. So even all the old buildings, they will have good ventilation.
Yeah.
It's nice. तो ये बात तो सही है, पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स में वेंटिलेशन बहुत अच्छा होता था. हम अभी आए हुए हैं एंशिएंट अंकल के घर में.
He's the owner.
The scholar who got the highest
Right,
rank.
but I
Oh.
secured the highest
owner of
ranking in
the
some
house.
individual examination.
What's his name again?
黄世俊.
Ah. So guys, this uncle in the background, there's Wang Su. He's the owner of this house.
And this is a scholar
Clothes.
costume.
This is the scholar uniform.
Only for the highest rank one
Ah.
wear red. And this one is for the third one.
Third one?
Third rank.
Yeah.
So it will be like
Ah, so the girls.
yeah, it will be like this. See?
Ah, so it's sexy.
Flowers, right? More flowers, more.
Yeah, more flowers, more girly.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is just boring. Ah, yeah. Now I get it. Where's the second one? There's first and third.
Second one.
So this is the third one. And this is the first one, right? Second is nobody cares about second. Life is a race. Nobody cares if you're second. If you're first or third, people would care. Else nobody cares.
One is for the one that got the highest rank.
Highest rank, yes, number one.
Yeah. That's called Zhuang.
Huangyuan, okay.
The second one is called
Huangyuan, yes. Okay,
Third one is called Hanhua.
okay.
But the blue one is for anyone that got to the last round. The final round in Beijing.
So it's not third.
No, it's not the third. That's why we need to correct it.
I'm not sure if we can say Panhua because it has another deadly meaning in China. Yes, Panhua.
Just a note, that's not said by me. It's my dog.
Bob should get the credit. Bob, don't run away. The scholar's washroom. Hello. Maybe you will find a scholar inside.
The people take the exam.
Oh, this is the examination center.
Yeah.
So they can't cheat, see? This is the examination center.
And they will stay here for 8 months. So they will eat, sleep, and even
Washroom? Huh? Wait, this is not examination center. This is a sleeping place. This is a house. A prison. Yeah, this is prison. What?
live here.
They cannot leave this place after examination. So if you don't get good marks, you are in prison.
So until examination, they have to stay inside this way.
Avoid getting cheat.
No, it's commitment level. So it's basically
Yeah.
very focused
Dedication.
dedication and focused way of.
So this is for pouring the pool, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, this is the pen.
Yeah. Brush.
And yeah, ink, right?
And the light.
Lighter?
Yeah.
Oh, light at night.
Light.
To study at night. I thought to smoke. And then food.
Yeah.
But what about washroom?
Okay.
Oh, there's a bucket? Oh, there's supposed to be.
Yeah, maybe. Supposed to be. But very small. Together.
But we will go to the mountain for hiking. Then we'll go first. Okay. We'll go first. No, it's not ladies first. ADs first. Wow. Okay, guys. Let's be a little careful. Oh, this is dangerous. Dangerous. Okay. Yeah. But we have to go up. Whoa, careful. So this is the place where we stay. Okay, okay. But will you subscribe to my channel? Do you have YouTube? You don't have YouTube? Oh, how do you not have YouTube? Good citizen, Elaine. Good citizen.
Delicious.
Delicious?
Turtle, right?
Yeah. Bob says it's delicious.
Yes, turtle. Chinese eat turtle.
Yeah, Chinese eat everything.
I'm not sure. But turtles really can eat.
Especially Guangdong people.
Guangdong people, they like turtle?
No, I mean everything.
Eat everything, right?
You know, sometimes I will like like making a joke with my friends. Like my friend is in the Fujian province. Then I say, hey,
Everything, yeah. The mom with the kids. See, they have a family.
Oh, twins.
Twins. Oh,
Okay, I
They're pretty-
want to eat potatoes.
animals.
Okay.
Oh yeah. See, all animals can be cute, right? If you really spend time with them. So this is rich people's daughter's house. So if you want to find rich girls, you should look for these kind of houses.
Google it before you send this video.
तो गाइज ये था हमारा आज का टूर. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना चैनल को. बाय बाय फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम.